After this, knock him out so that I can show the people all the dead bodies. All right. Wow, he's lagging that much. He's like, oh, I'm gonna run away and lag. I'd have been lagging too if I saw those dead bodies. Get him! Get him! Knock him out! Knock him out! Okay, let me step out. These are all the dead bodies, ladies and gentlemen, that we killed. Hold on. I forgot how to use. Oh, there we go. That is a lot of dead bodies. Yep. And he was right there in the middle. So we set him there, woke him up, and he was freaking out. Wow. And now he's just bullying the civilian, basically. Ouch. Wow.